The last time it snowed in Devon, my father piled his landlady, her boyfriend, her daughter and my brother into his ramshackle van and set off for Dartmoor. They sledged all afternoon on bin lids, recycling bags and dinner trays. The next day, in his cleverness, he bought 3 sledges for his 3 children and waited for the snow to come back. After he had been put into boxes, we found lost boys' toys gathering damp, a remote control helicopter, an inflatable kayak, and 3 unused sledges. When the snow finally came and the country stopped under the pixie dust white, I sold them to a beaming man whose son had never seen snow before.
Hey there, poetry pals. I hope you enjoyed my poem, An Awfully Big Adventure. Please subscribe, turn on notifications. It really helps small creators like me get found, and you'll get notified about weekly videos about all things poetry. Happy National Poetry Day. Bye.